I literally had to hunt for 6 months just to find these wheels. But let's start from the beginning. 6 months ago, I bought a set of welds, and one of them had an unrepairable crack, which led to the hunt for a replacement. After scrolling through Facebook Marketplace 20 times a day, I found someone in another state selling 2 wheels. After a couple days of messaging and working out a price, he shipped them to me. I unboxed the wheels, inspected them, some pitting, water spots, but nothing we couldn't fix. Then, I tried to mount the tire that came off my cracked wheel. After hours and hours of trying, the sun went down. I made a tumble down the hill, decided it was time to give up. The next morning, I went to get it mounted. I went to the tire shop that pulled the tire off the cracked wheel in the first place, but with my luck, it did not go as planned. They tore the bead on my tire, making it unusable. That's when the marketplace hunt began again. After a month of searching, no responses, and dead ends, I found 2 tires that looked pretty similar to the 3 I already had. The seller and I had agreed upon a time and place. I jumped in the truck, we headed that way. Upon arriving, he was no longer responding to my texts or calls. I thought I was screwed again. I decided to wait and see if he would show up. After 30 minutes, he pulled in, but the tires did not look like they did online. They had lower tread, but at this point, I was tired of searching online, so I decided to buy them anyways. We loaded the tires in the bed of my truck, and I went back home. Buddy showed up barefoot. A couple days later, I decided to try a different tire shop and see if we could make some progress. And finally, everything was mounted and balanced. Now, let's get them on the truck.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Oh, hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket.
So, a couple days later, and we have the wheels on the truck, guys. This has been a hassle from the beginning, so if you could, please drop a like on this video, because, you know, I think I earned it with this one. I have had some horrible luck lately, between the one wheel not being able to be fixed, and then the tire shop ruining the tire after I found replacement wheels. And then I went to another shop and they ended up getting it really good. I told you guys about that. And then today I actually got T-boned in my work trailer. The lady just decided she didn't see me, and I had to bend the fender out some. It was up against the tire. Her hubcap is in between my tire and rim. Pretty sure the frame is bent. But yeah, it's just been a whole ordeal. So give me a like and a subscribe on this video if you haven't already. I would greatly appreciate it. This is what they tried to mount. You know, they did that and then still tried to take air, which the guy at the other tire shop said if this would have taken air, it would have been deadly, you know, when this blew out. And then this is the wheel they told me to put on the right side. It's got a lot of weight on it. They double stacked these weights, and then it's got a bunch of clip-on weights up there. I think what I'm gonna do is scrape all the weights off and see how it rides with no weights, because I think that amount of weight is gonna do more bad than good. And let's walk across the backyard real quick, and I will show you guys the cracked wheel and the condition it's in now, and drop down some ideas of what you guys think I should do with this wheel. Should I make a ceiling fan in the garage out of it? Should I make a hose reel out of it? What should I do? So this is the weld that was on there already, and then the guy put JB Weld above it, and the guy was having to do it, sanded down in here where the crack was at. He drilled out the ends, he sanded down the backside, and he said it just would not take weld. I don't know if he was burning through, because there's more crack all the way down to here. I don't know what the whole ordeal is. I've debated on taking it to an actual wheel repair shop and seeing what they can do with it. Either that, or I'm just gonna make a hose reel. I saw a thing where a guy took a box fan and actually put the blade on the back side of this and made a fan out of it. That looked pretty cool. I might do something like that. I haven't quite decided what I'm gonna do with it. So if you guys have ever done anything cool with some wheels, drop it down below and let me know. F1 Shitty, still back here, sitting away. I've got parts for it. I just don't have all the parts and I don't have all the time. As you guys can see, things don't seem to go my way. That is going to be all for this video. These wheels and tires are for sale. If anyone is local to Central Florida or wants to make a trip down here, they are for sale. Next video of the F250 is something to make the rear match the front. I'll give you guys a quick sneak peek of that right now. Peace out.
I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. Oh, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move